Welcome to the BoldSign eSignature tutorial. In this video, you will learn how to manage and track identity verification documents in BoldSign. The identity verification feature in BoldSign enhances document security by requiring signers to verify their identities before accessing and signing documents. In BoldSign, account admins can manage and track all identity verification documents sent by users within their organization's account. This allows them to monitor which verification attempts have succeeded or failed, enabling swift action when necessary. The first step is to access the BoldSign application. Here I expand the Settings menu and select the Subscription option. This action takes me to the Subscriptions page. I scroll down to the Document Limits section, where the document usage details are provided. I click the View Transaction link, which opens the View Transaction dialog box. Here all transactions are organized into 8 categories, each displaying document details. I select the ID verification category. A list of all the ID verification document transactions within the default range is displayed. If I want to locate a document from either the current billing cycle or the last 12 billing cycles, I can do so by changing the range. I move to the Choose a Date range field and click the calendar icon. I can choose to filter based on billing cycle options or a custom date range. I choose the All Billing Cycles option. The start and end dates for the all billing cycles are displayed. I click the Filter Transactions button. All the ID verification document transactions within the all billing cycles are displayed. I can store the record of these filtered document transactions by exporting them to a CSV file, or I can download them as a single PDF document to my local disk for reference and storage. From here, I can check which documents were successful and which failed. I can also access these documents using the document ID. For instance, if a document transaction has failed, I can resolve it from here. To do this, I copy the document ID and search for the document in the Team Documents page. I click the document to access its overview page. I move to the Recipient Details section. Here the status of the ID verification is failed. To resolve this, I click the Context menu. From these Recipient Details options, I can manually review the uploaded images and verify them so that the signer can continue with the signing process. Or I can reset the verification so that the signer can restart the verification process. I can also remove the authentication or download the images for future reference. That summarizes how to manage and track identity verification documents in BoldSign. If you found this video useful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned to our channel for more BoldSign tutorial videos.